Ever wondered how you can roast your Instagram feed with a touch of AI humor? Today, we're diving into a fun way to make your Instagram account the center of some witty jokes, all thanks to ChatGPT. Got a celebrity Instagram account you're curious about? Stick around to see how ChatGPT can roast even the most glamorous feeds. Let's get into it. First up, take a screenshot of your Instagram feed. Whether you're using your phone or PC, capture those Insta moments. If you took it on mobile, just email it to your PC. Next, head over to chatgpt.com. Sign up if you haven't already, easy with Google or Gmail. Once you're in, click Attach File, and upload that Instagram screenshot from your downloads. Now comes the fun part. Type in "roast my IG account" and hit enter. Watch as ChatGPT crafts a hilarious roast of your Instagram feed. Want more? Ask for multiple roasts by saying, "Can you roast it again?" or "Give me 10 different versions." A quick tip, ChatGPT mobile app doesn't support file uploads yet, but you're all set with the website. And good news, you don't need a paid version for this feature. Ready to see your favorite celebrities get roasted or have a laugh at your own feed? Try it out and share your favorite roasts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching.